How to install Django setup in Visual Studio 2026 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Installation before install in your system Python latest version. Check the installed version Python desktop Windows search box lo enter cmd. First option command prompt, select, enter the verify command python space version, enter key press. Installed latest version in your system Python 3.14.4. shell window close, desktop browser open, Google search box lo enter Visual Studio download, enter key press. Visual Studio .microsoft.com downloads, first link, click. Visual Studio official web page complete display download section lo Visual Studio latest version 2026 operating system default detected Windows logo. Bottom side related 3 options display. First one commutation, second one professional, third one enterprises. Third one enterprises related free trial button, click. Download section lo Visual Studio .setup.exe file downloading process start. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize, desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo setup file display, select, mouse double click. User account control window lo Visual Studio installer, first button yes, click. Download folder minimize, Visual Studio installer window lo continue button, click. Getting the Visual Studio installer ready, downloading and installing process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Window maximize. First one option workloads, project related different applications, mouse scroll down. Data science and analytic applications option, right side box tick mark set. Installation details lo selected option display data science and analytical application related internal options. Bottom side total space required 3.25 GB. Install button, click. Visual Studio Enterprises 2026 downloading file size 2.5 MB. Downloading process completed. At the same time installation packages 188 packages completed the process. Second button launch, click. Visual Studio installer window close, get started window lo right side first option create a new project, select, create a new project window lo right side first one option all programs box right side down arrow, click. Python option select. Second one all platforms right side down arrow, click. Windows option select. Third one desktop right side down arrow, click. Web option select. Django web project second option select. Bottom side second button next, click. Configure your new project Django web project. First one option project name default display, enter your project related file name chari. Project save location default path display in second box. Right side 3 dots browse icon, click. Select your convenient folder and drive. Window close, default set. Second button create, click. Right side solutions explore window lo Django project related structured files and created folder chari Django web project 1. Left side expand icon, click. Manage.py టాప్ సెక్షన్లో క్రియేట్ ఏ వర్చువల్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్. యాడ్ వర్చువల్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫైల్ నేమ్ డిఫాల్ట్ చారి Django project 1 and environment name env. Installed Python in your system. Detect and display Python 3.1.14 64-bit architecture and installation location and path display. Bottom side first button create. Click. Output window la virtual environment creating. Downloading process start. At the same time installing collecting packages. Successfully installed. Created virtual environment display. టాప్ సెక్షన్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ అండ్ ఎనేబుల్ PyTest. టాప్ సెక్షన్లో స్టార్ట్ వితౌట్ డీబగ్గింగ్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్. టాప్ సెక్షన్లో అడ్రస్ బార్ URL లోకల్ హోస్ట్ 51372 అండ్ అప్లికేషన్ నేమ్ Django, home and about contact. Complete project related web framework building page display. System check identified no issues 0 and run Python manage py migrate. Django version installed 6.0.4. Starting development server URL link